issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southeastern Sumner County until 7:30 p.m. At 6:34 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located near Renfrew, or 8 miles south of Caldwell, moving east at 20 miles per hour. You can expect tennis ball-sized hail and 60-mile-per-hour wind gusts. The warning was based on radar indications. The following impacts are expected. People and animals outdoors will be injured. Expect hail damage to roofs, siding, windows, and vehicles. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include South Haven, Tudor Springs, and Honeywell. This includes Interstate 35 between mile markers 1 and 5. The National